Hey guys, how's it going? Pocket back to another product. Today we're having a look at the TOOVREN multi-purpose case for the iPhone. So let's get started. So this case is available for the iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone X Max, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and Samsung S10. I have a link down in the description for all the phones to which you can get this case for. As soon as you open the box, you're gonna get two things. You're gonna get the actual case, and of course you're gonna get a band which you hang it on the case. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. So you just put it here on the bottom of the case. You just hang your phone like that, just like that, and you just wrap it around your neck. So that will be a lot easier for you to access the phone while, for example, walking or doing any other activities such as running, hiking, and stuff like that. Also, this case is made out of thermoplastic polyurethane, where one of the properties is being elastic, as you may see right now, and also being resistant to oil. Also, some other cases which are made by the same material, TPU for short, they are also transparent. So when you see a transparent case, it's pretty much a high chance of being made from this material. So let's see on the back. So as you can see on the back, we have some cases and some buttons, stuff like that. So what are they? So first of all, you have the grip. So you can literally make the grip bigger, so that way you can hold the phone like that. So you pass your hand below it, you can just use your phone just like that, preventing from falling, which is very convenient. And also you have kind of a wallet. I mean, you can put your credit cards, your IDs in here. You can put several of them, and even you can put a banknote if you like, making it very convenient for use, especially having everything at one place. So that means that you don't have to get your wallet, which would be in your pocket, and look for your IDs, look for your credit cards, look for your banknotes, as everything will be in the case, which your phone is also there as well, because nowadays we use our phones a lot. So that's why it will be a lot more convenient having your phone around your neck. So when you want to use it, you just grab your phone from your neck and then just use it. So other than that, it costs only £15 from Amazon. It's relatively cheap, and definitely you're gonna get it for more than phones other than the iPhone XR. So don't forget to check the links down in the description to check this product out. And that pretty much brings to the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button if you like this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this case and whether you like this kind of cases, multi-purpose cases for phones nowadays. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, as always, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it in order to receive updates for every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm going to see you in my next video.